In this guide, we will explore how to use the Ostorlab Copilot feature, which is an AI-powered assistant designed to help users by answering questions directly within the platform. This tool enhances productivity by providing instant responses related to documentation and other platform features, like remediation, attack surface, scans, vulnerabilities and more. To start using the Copilot, click on the Copilot icon located at the top of the platform. Once you click on the Copilot icon, a chat window will appear on the screen. This is where you can type and send your queries. To start interacting with Copilot, type your question on the input field at the bottom of the chat window. After typing your question, click on the Send button to submit your query. Once your question is submitted, the Copilot will process the query and display an answer in the chat window. If you want a larger view of the chat, click on the Expand icon. This will make the chat window bigger, improving readability. After expanding the chat, you will now see the Copilot UI in wide mode, providing a more comfortable interface for viewing conversations. To see your past interactions with Copilot, click on the Conversations List button. In the Conversations list, you can browse through all your previous chats with Copilot and switch between them as needed. If you want to remove a conversation, click on the Delete button next to the chat you wish to delete. To begin a fresh chat, click on the New Conversation button. This will close the current conversation and allow you to start from scratch in a new one. In this guide, we walked through the step-by-step process of using the Ostorlab Copilot. By using this feature, you can improve productivity and find answers without needing to search through multiple sections of the UI manually.